Welcome to your overview of Unleashed Inventory Management software. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to navigate the platform so you can find what you need quickly and confidently. The dashboard gives you quick insights into your business, like recent orders, shipments due, and low stock alerts. Your dashboard is the fastest way to spot issues and take action, and you can customize your view over here with the Add Widget options. Select from the drop-downs that matter to you and your role and create your custom dashboard. If you're looking for some inspiration, why not try the Surprise Me function to get started? On list pages, use the filter options at the top to narrow your search. Click Show Toolbar to customize your view further. Here you can edit the columns and set up custom grid layouts with hidden columns. Make the changes, see alternative methods to view with column grouping. And when you're ready, hit Save and set as your default or share with other users. The left-hand action cog is for bulk operations like Select All, Obsolete or Delete. And the action cog on the right gives you more options depending on the list view. Filters and bulk actions speed up repetitive tasks and keep data organized. Let's explore the left-hand menu. This is visible on every page. Click on the collapse menu icon to minimize the menu in your view. When collapsed, the menu is displayed as a toolbar with a unique icon for each item, and only its sub-menus will display when selected. Click on the collapse menu again to reopen the menu. This lists features, functions, or modules available to you based on your user's role permissions and subscription. Click on an item listed in the menu to open either a sub-menu or the items page. This menu is your hub for all transactions and records. Everything starts here. Unleash separates records and transactions. Records include products, customers, and suppliers. Transactions are the actions: sales orders, purchase orders, assemblies, adjustments. Records feed transactions. Transactions update your stock and reporting. At the top, you'll find the global navigation bar. This includes the search tool and quick actions. Let's take a look at how the search tool works. I'm going to search a product code and select this one, which has opened the product record. But if I type 123 now, all these transactions have pulled through with 123 associated to it. So as you can see, it's a super helpful function to utilize. We definitely recommend that users make the most of quick actions and set up shortcuts to your most used and loved sections of Unleashed to tailor to your daily needs. Remove the shortcuts you don't want and drag and drop from the list into your new customized quick actions. These can be set for views, reports, and modular pages. At the bottom, you'll find your settings, quick links to support, and your tasks. Track the progress of any bulk or long-running actions with tasks. These actions can range from template imports, exports, printing, and download requests. Need help? Click the help link for support articles related to the page you are on to see product updates and enhancements in what's new. Submit feature ideas, support tickets, or visit the Academy for video tutorials. You can also use the Help search bar, type in your question, and you'll be taken to our help files to take you to the most relevant help file. Settings is where you can get access to and edit your account information and system, company, and security settings. To use the mobile view, click on your Unleashed user menu at the bottom here. This is also where you will find a link to the Unleashed University if you have access to this. In the top left corner, you'll find the current Unleashed account's company name. If you have multiple Unleashed organizations, all using the same user login credentials. Click on your Unleashed organization's name, and a drop-down menu will display, allowing you to navigate between Unleashed organizations seamlessly. To sign out of your Unleashed Evo account, use the drop-down here. And there you have it! A quick run-through and welcome to Unleashed. Unleashed is your central hub for inventory, sales, purchasing, and production. It keeps stock on hand accurate, tracks allocated versus available quantities, and gives you real-time visibility of what's happening across your business. Thanks for watching.